In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a custom invoice on Shopify, an essential skill for managing your online business efficiently. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring each step is both clear and easy to follow. First things first, you'll want to start from your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the Orders section. Once you're in Orders, you'll see an option to Create Order. This is where we begin crafting that custom invoice, which Shopify calls a draft order. Now that you're in the order creation area, you can start adding the items you want to include in the invoice. You have two options here. If you're invoicing for products already available in your store, you can simply search and select those items. But if this is for a custom item that doesn't exist in your inventory, you can manually add it by specifying the necessary details. Include the name of the product, the price, and the quantity. Doing this ensures your customer receives a comprehensive breakdown of the charges. Once your items are selected or added, it's time to customize the invoice further. Here is where you can apply discounts. Maybe you've agreed on a special price with your customer or you're running a promotion. Either manual input or automatic setups are available for discounts. Don't forget to factor in the shipping costs if applicable. It's crucial to ensure the shipping method and costs are accurate so your customer isn't surprised at checkout. Additionally, make sure you fill in the customer's information accurately, including their email address where the invoice will be sent. After the customization is complete, you'll need to set the payment terms. Think about how quickly you need the payment. Shopify allows you to choose from several options. Perhaps the payment is due on receipt. Perhaps you want to specify a particular date. Or maybe it's due after a certain number of days. Choose the option that best fits your business model and client agreement. With all these steps taken care of, you now arrive at the final action, sending the invoice. Before doing so, take a moment to review everything. Ensure the order details, items listed, discounts applied, and total charges are correct. Click on the Send button, and the invoice will be emailed directly to your customer. Remember, sending a custom invoice through Shopify not only simplifies transactions, but also keeps a detailed record for both you and your customer. This method provides clarity and accuracy, which are key to maintaining trust and efficiency in your business dealings. You're now equipped with the knowledge to handle this task smoothly on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with your Shopify store.